can see there is a parrot.
Yeah, these are visible.
These are visible. So you are very excited or not?
Yes, we are excited.
तो अगला यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ककाटिल है. एंड लुक एट दिस, द बर्ड्स आर
Very amazing.
very amazing and beautiful looking like. So okay, everyone can see. Yeah, that's and yeah, it's very natural. You can see. This is a देसी तोता and ये बहुत ही सुंदर दिख रहे हैं और यहाँ पे एक से भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, आप सब देख सकते हो. This is a देसी तोता and you can see in your house. There will be available.
निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बट
Okay. So देसी तोता, a lot of quantity. Love bird, you can see this, and you know very well about love birds that this is a symbol of love, and you can see it. Yeah, that's very amazing. It is visible or not? Yeah, this is very
visible.
the sound is very charming, and you can see very excited to Bajrigar. Yeah, see this Bajrigar. I am listening first time that name of bird Bajrigar. So it is visible and ये है अभी मटके के ऊपर बैठ रहे हैं, कुछ खाना खा रहे हैं, आप सब देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. बहुत ही अच्छे दिख रहे हैं. ये सब एक तोते की तरह ही है बट इनकी जो प्रजातियाँ हैं वो छोटी है, तोते से ज़्यादा स्मॉल हैं. And you can see there the Bajrigar. Yeah, Bajrigar. We are hearing and we are watching the duck. There is a duck. Yeah, that's very amazing and very beautiful. The board is saying, yeah, here is a board and a house. This house is very big, I think, and there is a board. Board is saying वन जीवों को न खिलाएं, ना ही उन्हें चिढ़ाएं.